That garlic alioli with the onions and the crispy french fries. Oh, I love the tostones. It really gives it a different feel instead of having a bun tostón. This is really like a super Latin American twist to a burger.
Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all doing great. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my beautiful hometown of Miami, Florida. Today I'm driving into Coral Gables and I'm taking you to Clutch Burger, a modern gourmet burger joint located on Giralda Avenue, which is a pedestrian-only street in downtown Coral Gables. This place looks amazing. They make some incredible gourmet burgers. They all look beautiful, and they use only all Wagyu beef patties, which is the best beef in the world. Besides the beef patties, they also have a veggie burger, tuna, lamb, and turkey burger. And they have craft beers, they have wines. I'm trying 5 burgers today. I'm trying the Clutch Burger, the 305, the Volcano, the Shroom Boom, and the Impossible Burger. I'm super excited to share these burgers with you guys. You know how much I love burgers. I can eat them every day. I mean, I really shouldn't, but I love eating them. Let's go to Clutch Burger and eat some Clutch Burgers. Follow me. As you can see, this is Giralda Plaza, which is a pedestrian-only street here in downtown Coral Gables. And this is basically like Restaurant Row. And right here we have Clutch Burger. Let's go inside. How you doing?
Good, how you doing, Dad?
Everything good?
Steve Bradley, owner of Clutch Burger, the first one here in Coral Gables. And we're about gourmet burgers. We're a beer and wine spot, a lot of craft local beers, and top quality. So you got Wagyu beef in all of our patties, and we've got a lot of vegan options, vegetarian options, and gluten-free options. So can't wait to show you 5 different burgers today. We're gonna walk you through our Clutch Burger, signature burger. We're gonna do our 305 burger, which is a tostones burger. Instead of bun, it's tostones, which is the chorizo Wagyu blend. We're gonna do the Impossible Burger, which is 100% vegan. There's also no bun on that, which is kind of cool, different. We're gonna do our Volcano Burger, which is a black charcoal bun. It's super spicy, a lot of different things going on there. You're gonna like that one. We're gonna get you some extra water. And we're gonna do our Bad and Bougie Burger, which is kind of crazy. It's a bougie burger. You're gonna see why. Clutch Burger. Let's go.
Okay, so here at Clutch Burger, trying 5 burgers today, and the first one is the Clutch Burger, and here it is. Look how beautiful this burger looks. What? And I love how they put this huge knife into it. Oh my God, so here we have 2-ounce patties of Wagyu beef, American cheese, Talago cheese fundata, arugula, tomato, with hand-breaded onion ring and our signature Clutch sauce. Okay, so let me take this out. Oh my God, I don't even know how I'm supposed to eat this. It's so big. This is one of the biggest burgers I've ever had. It's so tall. What? Okay, how do we bite this? The onion ring in there. Oh, the cheese, double cheese, American cheese, the arugula. Oh, I love the sauce. This burger is amazing, but it's very big. Oh my God, it's falling apart. Let me put something in here. I'm training for a competition here. How big this burger is. Wow. Oh my God, I'm in love with this burger. So many different flavors in here. I love how there's an onion ring in here. It amplifies the flavors to another level. And the sauce is so good. And I love how they chose arugula over just regular like romaine lettuce. The arugula gives it a nice taste. And yeah, man, the cheese. And there's actually 2 different cheeses in here from what it looks like. Oh. The onion ring. Just a tip, be prepared to get a little messy with this burger, with all the burgers here. I mean, that's part of the experience. Man, this burger is phenomenal. Oh, I should slow down because I still have 4 more to go, but one more bite. This is so good, and this is their signature burger. Obviously the Clutch Burger for Clutch Burgers. One bite? Yeah, one bite. Having the double patty in there really like takes it to another level. And then putting an onion ring on top, and the sauces, the cheese, man, I'm like lost for words with this burger. It's so freaking amazing. I don't know, it's gonna be really hard to beat that last burger. But the next one we have is called the Swolf Burger. Look at this. This has seared pork belly, chorizo, white cheddar, fried onion strings, arugula, tomato with sweet barbecue sauce, and a Wagyu beef patty. This thing looks incredible. Look at this. Okay, this is another one which I don't know how to start it, but I guess the whole thing with these is that they're so tall, you just gotta like get really creative with the way you eat it. It's like heaven right here. That pork belly, so delicious, so fatty, so sweet. Man, that barbecue sauce is out of control. It's a really cool contrast between the Wagyu beef, chorizo, and the pork belly. Oh my god. It's one of my favorite burgers ever. And the crunch with the onion strings. This burger's so big though. That spicy chorizo is so freaking amazing. It's really cool how the fatty pork belly and chorizo, like the blend together. The barbecue sauce is a star of this burger. Do I just continue? It's so amazing. Oh, one more bite. This is amazing.
Oh my gosh, right? It's perfectly crafted. You want
that was crazy. Oh, please, please. I haven't even tried these fries yet. Not too crunchy. Perfect. Not too salty either. The third burger we have is the Impossible Burger. Basically, this is a 100% vegan burger. It's completely full of vegetables. It has seared plant-based Impossible patty with honey caramelized onions, hummus, alfalfa sprouts, pea shoots, and tomatoes served on a bed of arugula. I'm gonna remove the fries for this, and the way you eat this one is with a fork and knife. Obviously, you can't pick it up. And I think it's a great option for anybody that's vegan. You know, if you don't want to come to the burger place because you don't want to eat meat, you can still come here and eat this. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Oh, the aroma here is amazing. It smells like a plant, straight up. It's a veggie patty, but it tastes, I mean, it almost tastes like I'm eating a burger. Oh man. The caramelized onions on top with the hummus. Dude, I love how they have the sprouts. I like love sprouts. This is like basically, this would be my diet if I wasn't making videos all day. Crunchy, refreshing. The honey caramelized onions with the hummus, just like it's a great blend. The contrast is fantastic. Look at this, 100% plants. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you have to try the Impossible Burger. This is amazing. The problem I'm having here is that every single burger is so amazing that I'm getting through like half of each. That's a lot. Oh, just too good. Alright, so next up we have the 305. So basically this is inspired by 305. It's a very Latin American community. You know, we have a big influence of Cubans, Venezuelans, Colombians. So right here we have a toston burger, right? So the toston is fried green plantain. Then inside we have a Wagyu beef patty. We have the fritas on top, which are tiny French fries. What else we have in here? We have a seared 6-ounce beef and chorizo patty, Swiss cheese, crispy potato strings, pickled onions, cilantro garlic alioli, served between 2 fried tostones. I mean, this is Miami right here. This is gonna be different, okay? Let's jump in here. Ooh, look at this. That garlic alioli with the onions and the crispy French fries. Oh, I love the tostones. It really gives it a different feel instead of having a bun toston. This is really like a super Latin American twist to a burger. And it's super crunchy. The blend of flavors here, it really feels like Miami. Gotta have a little more. It's really cool how they mix the beef and chorizo, so it has like a little spicy taste with it, with the alioli. Oh, look at that. If you're coming to Miami and you happen to visit Clutch Burger while you're here and you want to really taste what Miami's all about, get the 305 burger. It's really cool. It gives you all different tastes of Miami. So chorizo, that's like Latin American, also Spanish. Tostones, that's very Latin America. That's like all the countries in Latin America, on the Caribbean. The alioli, it's a must. Man. The chorizo, fire. Fire, fire. I'm actually a tostone addict. When I go to any Latin American restaurant, this is like what I love eating. These big tostones. This is like huge. Everything's just falling off right here, but alright. And this last burger is gonna be probably my favorite because it's very, very spicy. So here we have the Volcano Burger. This thing is super spicy. So I got some extra water. I think this is gonna be my favorite because I love spicy food. And basically what does it have? It comes with white cheddar, topped with roasted piquillo pepper, pickled onions, pickled habanero peppers, arugula, tomato, pepper jack cheese, applewood smoked bacon, pepper mayo, and all served on a charcoal bun. Okay, so let me take this out. Another monster burger. I'm a little nervous about this one. It's gonna be spicy. Right when you bite into it, the habanero hits you. At least it's pickled habanero, so it's not too spicy. Oh wow. Ooh. That's hot. Alright, let's keep going. Besides being really hot, there's a lot of different flavors in here. Ooh, nice blend. Ooh, but it's hot. He said it's not too hot. You know, pickled habaneros aren't like just regular habaneros, but you can feel it back in my throat. I need a lot of water. I mean, it's really hot, the habanero with the peppered mayo, but the mayo really gives it a nice taste. Just makes it everything a little better, you know? I'm loving the charcoal bun. I mean, I think the heat really comes with the habaneros. I think that's it. Because everything else, you can handle it. So if you don't want it to be too hot, just ask them to remove the habaneros. But I think you should try it with the habaneros. This with the clutch burger, my favorite burgers, but this is hot. I think I have at least one more bite in me. I've eaten half of every burger. That's a lot of beef. This is too good. I'm all about spice, so throw habaneros on top and maybe a little too hot. Yeah, so if you don't like spicy food, don't get this burger because it's really hot. It's not even too spicy, it's just like you feel it the whole time, and I still feel it right now. It's like down my throat. Ooh, habaneros. Habaneros are tough. See, I can have jalapenos like all day, but habaneros, I can't. So next time you find yourself in Miami, head down to Coral Gables and head to Clutch Burger to try some gourmet, beautiful, tall looking burgers. Every single one is amazing. They have over a dozen burgers, and as I told you before, they also have craft beers, Florida beers, and beers from the United States, and they also have wine. What I'm trying right here is the Swamp Gorilla. It's a double IPA from Northern Florida. This is an amazing beer. It's one of my favorites. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next food travel adventure.